KICKASSETS. Ching. Oh my god.
Boy, this is a bedroom.
What the fuck happened here?
Is this the living room?
They've obviously moved furniture around. If they're like furniture feet.
Whose bed is that?
That's weird. It's like the dog was digging for something.
No.
There's a bed upstairs?
There's only one bedroom?
Yeah, it's only one bedroom. Shit.
Just put the dresser over. The dresser over top of the living room.
Oh my god. I don't know what I'm gonna say about that. Fuck.
Charge them.
Oh my god. She didn't clean it even one time.
Yeah, floors are sticky.
Shit, man.
Is this yours or hers?
That's from here. At least the upstairs is decent. So dirty in here. Have to re-wallpaper the whole place after having a tenant live here for just 1 year. What a waste. Look at the damage to the floor. Who does that? I have to replace my entire floor now because of that. 1 year rent just down the drain. Look at the color on the wallpaper. I guess they smoked. God. That they even clean one time. It's disgusting. Look at all the dog hair. Crazy. It's almost like they didn't even clean one time. How hard is it for people just to actually clean, you know? I try to give my places to people the best condition I can. And they just don't care. That's nice. It's broken. Well,
20が1、2、美しい。
あっちの天井よかった。しなくてもいい。
綺麗。
じゃあこっちだけね。
そう、ホールがね。でっかいお股。
うん。Oh my god, look at this. Oh. Okay, so that damaged this floor a little bit too. It's still usable. Still fine. Oh well. This whole room has to be replaced. Even the lights are dirty. Oh well, one step at a time. At least the balcony's in good shape. Yeah. I think the ceiling is fine. The ceiling is the only thing that's in decent shape. This is better shape than downstairs, but still needs to be changed. Oh well. Yeah. Magic.
100均であったって言ったさっきのやつでこれやるとめっちゃ綺麗になります。
あ、それはここに使えるんですか？
使えます。
あれなくなるってこと？
こういうの取れにくいじゃないですか、
うん、
普通にやっても。でもこれで磨くと取れるんですよ。
Here's the before and after. The difference here. Crazy. It's the stuff we're using here.
35やったっけ？そこに落ちてるやつ35やわ。
Hmm?
Hello. Nice to meet you, baby. Happy birthday, buddy. I was born in June. It's Sean's birthday.
One more. And it's it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I can't believe he's.
Happy
recording
birthday, dear. What's your name again? John. Jim. John. Adams. Son. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles. Itadakimasu. Nice. Look at that. Thank you for bringing him the cake. It's nice.
I mean,
Are these edible things or we have to take them out?
That's cool.
I think they're all edible, except for the papery ones.
Checkmate.